Good day, greeting to everyone. Whenever you are, whether you are in Europe, Middle East, and Asia, or in Dubai or in Australia, the time here is 7 o'clock in the evening. We have a time difference. In Europe, it's morning. In Dubai, midday. In Asia, it's evening. So, this is Walamina greeting from down under. I'm based in Australia. This is my virtual office. Wilhelmina is your business facilitator and the gatekeeper of the seller. You're gonna say, Wilhelmina, what is your position? My position is you are talking to Wilhelmina, you are looking to purchase gold, right? You are searching gold, is that correct? When you search gold or diamond, you go on YouTube and you go on Facebook, you will see this lady. This lady is very, very thorough. She wouldn't buy any bullshit. That is the reason why Wilhelmina put everything on social media for the buyer easy to understand. Now, may I give you the background of, of Wilhelmina? Wilhelmina used to be on real estate here in Brisbane. I was the one who introduced this to tell the world that Africa is the main source of precious mineral. In Australia, when you purchase anything, everything now is online. I was the one who introduced this because Africa is behind. Africa has been tarnished by the crook buyer, thinking the crook buyer can get gold for nothing. There is no free in this world. There is a saying, he who has the gold makes the rules. The owner of the gold is the one who makes the rule. He followed the golden rules of the country. Meaning to say, you as the gold buyer or gold trader, you have to follow the rules before you're gonna get this precious mineral. Meaning to say, you need to have a capital. Don't make your own rules because you wouldn't get gold from us if you stick to your own rules. You follow the golden rules because the country would not give any certificate of clearance until you pay for it. There is no upfront. Everybody has to pay for it. Now, Mr. Buyer, I think you've been running around. I have several videos on my YouTube platform and on Facebook. I always update. Make sure you listen and make sure you read the full corporate offer. That is the most important. The most important, you need to comprehend. Don't pretend to be dumb. Well, Amina is the one who put everything in order to save my time. Now, Mr. Baya, I know you've been searching for gold and you've been dealing with so many chain of broker. You don't need to deal with a chain of broker. You have the phone, you have the connection of the internet. You just search gold buying. My video pop up into your screen. Now, Mr. Buyer, the price of gold today is $79,000. Per ounce is 2,458.4340, yeah? 2,458.40 per ounce. In dollar terms is 79,390.34 per kilo. Our selling price less 8%. So therefore, you are buying precious mineral. Okay? There is no credit here. We don't deal CIF, cost insurance and freight. We don't deal LC, letter of credit. We don't deal SBLC, standard letter of credit. Meaning to say, you have a shortfall of cash flow. You are going to leverage. Gold business is not leveraging business. This is cash business. You're gonna say, oh, I don't want to buy upfront. There is no upfront here. You have to place an order. You have to inspect the gold to the office in Africa. then that is the time you pay bank to bank because of money laundering. Now, Mr. Buyer, the full corporate offer is on this video. Okay? Now, I'm summarizing, Mr. Buyer. It's easy for you to comprehend. If you went to school, I'm sure you would comprehend. Don't come to Wilhelmina unless you are a buyer. Don't, because you are going to be rejected if you come to Wilhelmina and then you're gonna say hi. My name is not hi. You need to introduce yourself if you are a businessman. The old joker broker. You come to Wilhelmina saying hi, hello, hello, my brother. Do I look like a brother? I'm not your brother. I am Mrs. Ford here. I am very blunt. Now, Mr. Buyer, whoever you are, the price of gold getting higher and higher. On July 31st, the price of gold was 2,418.67 per ounce. In dollar term was 77. In August 1st, the price of gold was 2,450.98 per ounce. In dollar term was 78,809.66. Today, the price, which is August the 2nd, the price is 2,458.40. In dollar term is 79,390.54. I don't know if you can afford it. I don't know. So convince Wilhelmina in order for you to be assisted. Now, my services is not for free. It's not. You only get this precious mineral when you show that you are really serious buyer. Now, Mr. Buyer, the full corporate offer is on this video, even on every video. Bear with me, Mr. Buyer. Time to time, I updated the price of the day. Today is August the 2nd. The time here is 7:11 in the evening. Why? Because we have a time difference. This is my virtual office. I am the gatekeeper of the owner of the gold. And also you are using my services. Now, Mr. Buyer, my services is not for free. I do charge my services when I take you to Africa to assist you. Before I'm going to take you to Africa, you read this full corporate offer in front of you, subscribe and click below. It says more. So you click that, you will see the full corporate offer and the price of the gold. Now, I handle Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone. If you are from Dubai, Conakry and Dubai is one stop. Direct flight, Emirates. So if you are from Dubai, I will take you to Conakry, Guinea. If you are in Europe or anywhere, if you want tons of gold, we have tons of gold in Mali, the third largest gold producer in West Africa. Conakry, Guinea, and Sierra Leone, we have tons of gold. But how are you able to afford to pay for it? You can only convince Wilhelmina when you show your credential. What is credential means for? After you listen to this video and read the full corporate offer and the price of gold, you need to send me a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund, your bank statement that you have the value of your order, that you have $1 million in your bank account. Don't be worried because no one will take your money out. That bank statement to signify that you are real and serious buyer. That is the reason why we are very strict. And when you come for conference with Wilhelmina, make sure you know how to introduce yourself. Make sure. Do not say hi because my name is not hi. If you're a businessman, you should understand that this is a real business. Your letter of interest called LOI must be coming from you as a buyer on your company letterhead. This is what you're gonna do, Mr. Buyer. Well, Amina, I watched your video. I've been searching gold for many months and I lost $1 million already. Yes, it's true. I will explain that later on. There, Wilhelmina, I wanted to purchase unrefined gold, not gold bullion, because gold bullion is $79,000. Unrefined, you will buy unrefined gold, which is we can give you the discount. Okay, when you buy gold bullion, there is no discount, which is 79,390.34. But if you buy unrefined, we give you 8%. Right. But if you are buying long term, we will also open for negotiation. We might consider to give you 12% or 13%, as long as you convince us. Now, Wilhelmina is a gatekeeper. Now, don't bank on it because the price of gold changes every half an hour. There is a prediction that the gold will turn to 3,500 per kilo or per ounce. On 3,500 per ounce times 32.15 could be this one. I don't know if you can afford. I don't know. Now, today the price of gold is 2,480.40. The price goes up again times 32.15. This is the price today. End of this month could be 80,000. So, Mr. Buyer, do not taking for granted. I know you've been looking for cheap price. Impossible you will get the cheap price. Those seller offer you cheap price, you are waiting for disaster. Yes? You are waiting for disaster. Gold is not cheap. It's not. Those seller offer you cheap price, he is going to scam you or cheated you. Deal with Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina will take you to Africa. I will be with you on the ground from the beginning to the end. But my question is, how are you able to afford of my services? You're gonna ask, Wilhelmina, how much is your services? That is a very good question. I'm going to tell you right now in front of you. I do charge $20,000 to cover my travel expenses in order to assist you on the ground. I would be traveling ahead of time before you arrive. Now, you're gonna say, oh, too expensive. Well, you're purchasing expensive item. When you go on your lawyers to ask for advice, you are going to be charged. You go to your doctor or your dentist, you have to pay for it. You go to your doctor consultation, you have to pay for it. You are asking consultation as well to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina is very unique and very thorough, telling you to the world that the price of gold is getting higher and higher. Now, on July 31st, the price of gold was 2,418.67 per ounce. In dollar term is 77,761.99 per kilo. On August 1st, the price of gold was 2,450.98 per ounce. In dollar term was 78,809.66 per kilo. August the 2nd, which is today, 2,458.40 per ounce. In dollar term, 79,039.34 per kilo. I'm sure you're going to scratch your head. Don't worry, Mr. Baya. Talk to Wilhelmina. Be honest to yourself. you are going to get the gold promptly, perfectly, and you will not be encounter you are not going to encounter any disaster. I can guarantee you, you can get the gold very thorough and very successfully using Wilhelmina's services. Why? Wilhelmina knows the seller. I have a transaction successful already. Go on my platform on Facebook. I will give you the link. If you don't have Facebook, you download Facebook. Everybody is on Facebook. I purchased the product through advertisement on Facebook. I advertise to you that Africa is the main source of precious mineral. I advertise to the world, and I'm telling to the world that Africa is the main source of precious mineral. Don't underestimate Africa. You are going to pay whether you like it or not. If you cannot afford to pay, meaning to say you are joker buyer. We don't deal buyer cannot afford because this is 500,000 you are going to purchase. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. We don't. Be prepared that you have $500,000. Be prepared that you can show us that you have $1,000,000. When you come for conference with Wilhelmina, Wilhelmina will ask you, how did you get my number? And then you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, I watch your YouTube channel. My question is, what did you learn out of the video? Which video you found it? Because the full corporate offer are exactly the same except the price. The price changes every half an hour. If you found the video last year, the full corporate offer, the procedure are all the same except the price. Now, Mr. Buyer, our price is not fixed. Instead of getting 2% discount, we will give you 8%. And if you convince Wilhelmina, because Wilhelmina will charge her services to you, Mr. Buyer, I'm going to give you a very flexible price in order to get the handsome profit. What is $20,000? It's peanuts. Don't be scared, Mr. Buyer, to travel. I'm a woman. I travel to Africa by myself. I'm not scared with African. I'm not scared. Why? You don't need to go to the village. You only go to the office. From your country, you travel, you stay in the hotel, you inspect your order in the office. You bring your gold tester in order for you to look at whether the gold that you purchase is real gold. There are two kinds of gold, high grade and low grade. High grade can make into different uses. Low grade can make into full set. Low grade can make into spare parts on mobile phone and laptop. And low grade can make into $1, $2. Right. But you are looking for high grade. Why? The high grade can make into gold bullion. 22 plus equivalent to 23. The purity of the high grade is 96, 97, 98. The purity of the low grade, 87, 75% of gold. There is gold. So don't be confused. Those joker broker that you are dealing, you are confused. You will not be confused because this is Wilhelmina, the beautiful and very tough lady, telling you the truth. Yeah, you were being scammed $1,000,000. How do I know? The buyer was talking to me a few weeks ago. He went to Nairobi. And they were being offered very cheap price, $45,000. What happened? They believe on the sellers in Nairobi. The gold in Nairobi is smuggled from Congo, and Congo is United Nations embargo. Most of the gold from Tanzania, Kampala, Nairobi is smuggled in order to deal with the licensee because they cannot get the gold out of Nairobi and Congo because of the restriction. Mr. Buyer, you don't need to deal with the smuggler. My seller produce gold who own the mines. You are buying directly to us. Wilhelmina is your business facilitator. And when I travel with you, I do charge my services. Today, 2024, I do charge $20,000. Next year, when the price goes up, my services is going up as well. I will charge $25,000 to accompany you. Mr. Buyer, you are using my services. Okay? I am not a buyer. I am a gatekeeper of the seller. My head office have tons of gold. I am the gatekeeper, Mr. Buyer. If you don't meet the criteria, the gate is closed. If you meet the criteria, yes, 100% the gate is open. And then you're gonna say, well, Amina, I'm gonna buy gold, no upfront. There is no upfront. Whether you like it or not, you have to pay for it. And don't ask me, well, Amina, I'm from Dubai, bring the gold in Dubai. No, we don't. We don't bring to a stranger. You as the buyer, you need to convince us. You need to show your credential. You need to send us a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund. Attention to Wilhelmina because Wilhelmina will validate you. When I receive your credential, I will call you on bottom if you are from Dubai. I will interview you and I'm gonna ask, hi Mr. Buyer, I received your credential. What would be the next? So when I receive your credential, I'm going to send your credential to the head office. I will be the one to know which seller I'm going to put you. If you're from Dubai, Conakry is the best for you. Because Emirates and Conakry, direct flight. If you want tons of gold, Mali is the third largest gold producer in West Africa. If you want to buy gold bullion, yeah, I can bring you to Mali. The gold will be refined at Marina or KMR. So there is a cost. So therefore, you need to convince that you are really a buyer, because when the gold will refine to KMR, there is also a charge. So there's always a charge. So make sure that you understand. And even if you want to refine the gold to Conakry, there's also a charge. Now, Mr. Buyer, you're gonna say, well, Amina, too expensive. Well, it is really very expensive. Most of the gold in gold souk is coming from Africa. 99.99 gold in gold souk, the raw materials coming from Africa. Because Dubai is a desert. Dubai is a hub. The best refinery in Dubai as well. The best gold in gold souks coming from Africa. When I was in Dubai, I was invited by the jewelry manufacturer. I went to his factory. Even 92% they can make into gold bullion. So, Mr. Buyer, you cannot fool Wilhelmina. You are fooling yourself. You are deceiving yourself. You're a businessman. You should know that. Gold has many uses. Now, Mr. Buyer, I think I already explained to you. So I'm not going to talk too much. The price of gold is in front of you. The full corporate offer is in front of you. When you come for conference, make sure you are going to be ready to be interviewed. Do not come for conference sending me, hi, hello, brother. I'm not a brother. My name is not hello. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. And when you come for conference, I will call you by video call because I want to see you, whether you are a real buyer, whether you are a person that I'm chatting with on Skype, on WhatsApp, or on Messenger on Facebook. So, Mr. Buyer, you are buying direct from us. You are using Wilhelmina services. Don't be scared because I am going to give you a good price. Why? You're paying me. I am renegotiating the price for you. Instead of 8%, I might consider to give you 13 or 14%, but don't bank on it because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. I'm just giving you a preempt conversation. So think about it. If you went to school, I'm sure you can comprehend. A few hours ago, there was an idiot buyer from Bangladesh. He doesn't know how to understand. He's a buyer, he said. Why I called him idiot, I'm not going to mention his name. I told him, read first the full corporate offer, digest it, don't rush, then come back to Wilhelmina. He doesn't understand what is the word he says. Wilhelmina, I don't understand what you're saying. He who has the gold makes the rule. And I told him, did you really go to school? Mm-hmm. And he said, yes. So why you cannot comprehend? Meaning to say, he who has the gold makes the rule. The country is the one who making the rules. You have to follow the rules. Meaning to say, when you take the gold out of the country, there is an export documentation under your name when you pay. But if you are not paying, the export documentation would not be prepared. So therefore, you need to pay bank to bank. There is no upfront. So those idiot buyer asking, what is the meaning of he who has the gold makes the rule? That buyer is falling apart. Because I'm telling you, if you don't read and listen to this video from the beginning to the end, and if you don't read the full corporate offer, and if you don't read the price of the day, tomorrow the price would be different. So don't worry. You come for conference with Wilhelmina, then we'll talk about the price you are going to ask because you are paying my services. You must remember. Don't you worry. I will assist you. I'm sure you will get the very good price because of Wilhelmina. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good evening. Don't be panic. I am here to assist you. I'm very considerate. I am going to renegotiate the price for you if you can afford to pay the gold and if you can afford to pay my services. Thank you very much. Good morning and good afternoon from Dubai and good evening from Australia.